Hi everyone, myself Arvind Tomar. I am your computer teacher. Welcome to Rising Sun Premier School online classes, class 7th, chapter 2nd. So let's start with me. Today's topic about file and folders. About file and folder. What is a file? What is a file? This is a file name and file extension. File is anything that is saved in the computer, such as a letter, a song, or a photo. A file has two parts: file name and file extension. The file name used to identify the file. File extension used to indicate the application software of the file. Sportmeet.docx is called file name sportmeet, or file extension docx. Okay. This is a file name sportmeet created by the word processing software. What is a folder? Folder, the place where files are stored, is a folder. The place where files are stored is a folder. They are used to store files that are related to each other. It helps to keep files in order and to retrieve them easily and fast. Okay. First of all, creating a folder. The method used to create a folder can be different according to the operating system. First of all, right click the folder, right click the mouse, and new option. Click the new option and click the folder option, is called create a folder. Okay. Next is saving files in a folder. Saving files in a folder. Files created should be saved to reuse them later. To save a file, save or save as commands are used. Okay, when saving a file for the first time, despite the window, select save as command. Window will open. Okay. First of all, file and save command to yes to save. After selecting the folder in which the file is to be stored, by giving the save command, the file is stored in the folder. Okay. Next, opening a created folder. Created folder is opening. So the folder can be opened by taking the cursor on the folder and double clicking on it. लेफ्ट क्लिक जो है माउस को हम उस पर ले जाएंगे फोल्डर पे और डबल क्लिक कर देंगे लेफ्ट क्लिक से. ओके. कॉपिंग एंड मूविंग अ फोल्डर. कॉपिंग एंड moving a folder. A folder can be copied or moved to another location. It can be internal location or an external storage device. First, take the cursor to the location of the folder and select it. Okay. First of all, copy. Step first. First, select the copy command in the toolbar or the copy command shown when the right button of the mouse is clicked. Second step, then go to the location where it should be pasted and select paste command. Okay. First copy command, and then any location where you want to paste it to right click and paste command. Okay. Next, to move. Step first select the cut command in the toolbar or the cut command so when the right button of the mouse is clicked. Then go to the relevant location and select paste command. is called move. Okay, changing the name of a folder. Changing the name of the folder. Step first, to change the name of a folder, take the mouse pointer on the folder, then select rename command after clicking the right button of the mouse. Okay, next, step 2, type the required name. Type the required name. Deleting a folder temporarily. Step first, select the folder that needs to be deleted. Step 2, press the delete button on the keyboard. Okay, brainstorm. If you delete a folder that is in an internal location such as in a hard disk, it is deleted temporarily. That means it can be retrieved when needed. If you deleted a folder then is in an external storage device such as a pen drive, it is permanently deleted. It cannot be retrieved again. Okay, delete a folder permanently. So step first, to delete a file or folder permanently, press shift and delete keys together. Okay, shift and delete keys together, and yes to delete the folder. Okay, next, step 2, select yes command in the dialog box. Select the yes command in the dialog box. Identify the characteristics of a file and folder. Identify the characteristics of a file and folder. There are characteristics in a file or folder such as a size, type and date modified. Okay, when the mouse pointer is taken on the relevant file or folder and when right button is clicked, a menu is displayed. Select the properties command and you can see these characteristics. This is called right click and properties command. Click OK, and then general security details previous versions. It is called the characteristics of the folder and files. Okay, that's all for today. If you have any doubt or query, you have my mobile number. Please call me. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.